Hi guys, I'm Damon and welcome to another We Did Something video. Today I'd like to discuss on how we go about leveling our travel trailer. First, I'd like to mention that there's several other very good videos out there that cover the same subject and possibly the same items as we do here. However, this is my take. I'm not trying to copy anyone. I'm hoping that you'll see something here that you may not see in other videos. Whether you're pulling a travel trailer or a fifth wheel, the first thing you'll want to do when you reach your destination is to level your rig. You'll first have to level side to side while still connected to the vehicle, then you'll level front to back. Some people use leveling blocks to drive up on or blocks of wood. We use Anderson levelers. You'll just drive up on these levelers and it'll raise your vehicle from ½ inch to about 4 inches. Once you're happy with how you're leveled, then you'll place the second half on the opposite side of the tire to keep it from rolling around. Then you have which method of leveling you want to use. Some people use the bubble level. Some people wash the doors, see if they lean in or out, open or close on their own. I've even heard people use marbles, lay them on the floor, see which way they roll. We used to use a bubble level, which is not too bad when you have two people. But when you're by yourself, it looks something like this. We now use a device called LevelmatePro. It's a device that mounts anywhere into your trailer and it pairs up with an iPhone or an Android. Once your trailer is as level as possible by doing it the old-fashioned way, you'll save that levelness, that's a word, into the device. Then from then on, any new location that you go to, you'll drive up on your levelers, and by looking at the app inside your truck, you'll see whether you're level or not, and continue adjusting forward or backward until you see that you are level. Once you are, then you can disconnect from the truck, then you'll raise or lower the front hitch to level the front and rear. If you're finding this video useful, feel free to like and subscribe and continue watching, and we'll go through the installation and setup for LevelmatePro. Once you receive your LevelmatePro, remove the cover by removing the 4 screws. Inside, you'll find a package of 2 mounting screws and you'll find a battery. As we're relocating, our battery is already installed. We're just relocating it to a new camper. So install the battery and replace the cover. Make sure when you replace the cover, you have your up arrows here facing the same direction as your arrow on your board. Just reinstall it and reinstall the 4 screws. When installing your LevelmatePro, just make sure your arrows are pointed up and they can be installed on any wall, whether it be in left, right, front, or rear. And it don't have to be exactly level. I mean, just don't go crazy like that. Just eyeball it, that'll be fine. And for easy access, ours will be installed in the basement storage area, since that's where we also store our Anderson levelers. So we just grab our levelers, turn this thing on, we're ready to level up. Now that it's installed, we'll just turn it on and you should hear 2 beeps. Perfect. Now it's ready to be set up in the app. All right, let's get the app installed. So we'll go to the App Store, search for LevelmatePro. Right there. It'll be right here. Which there'll be your new icon. Yes, use Bluetooth. I agree. Allow. It found the LevelMate. Click yes. And we'll go ahead and click through these. And we'll skip that. And we'll go ahead and go into settings. And you can go through these individually. I'm going to go all the way down and go to the wizard. We are a travel trailer. Check the signal strength. Next. And we use inches, Fahrenheit, and we drive on the right side of the road. And width, we are currently 102, so I'll leave that alone. Length is 282, which looked like I think it was already there. Go ahead and click next. The label for the LevelmatePro is facing the rear, so that's where we have. For sleep, for it to shut off on its own is after 1 hour. And resolution is how accurate you want the leveling to be. If it's within a 1/4 inch, I'm happy with that. And I currently have the trailer as level as possible as I can make it. So we are currently going to set level here. And as you can see, it's all set up, and our front jack could be raised up, maybe a 1/4 inch, but I'm pretty happy with that. That's all there is to it. Now with the Anderson levelers and the LevelMate Pro, we can get to a campground and have it leveled up probably just within a few minutes. It makes it very easy. And I will mention that I'm not sponsored by either one of those. It's some those I've purchased on my own and made our life so much easier. So anyway, if you found this video useful, please like and subscribe. It helps us out a lot. I appreciate it, and thank you for watching.
Hope you enjoyed. Thank you for watching.
We'll see you next time. Bye, Tracy.